MI-14003 UL Certified Heavy-Duty Full-Motion TV Wall Mount Installation. Use a stud finder to locate the stud and center the mount arm on the stud at the desired height. Use a bubble level to ensure straightness and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 1/4-inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the 4 provided lag screws and washers. Use a bubble level to ensure straightness and hold the wall mount to the desired location on the wall. Mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 1/2-inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 3.7 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers. Using the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers, attach the VESA brackets in the orientation as shown here and tighten until secure. Hang the TV on the horizontal arms. Locate the security clip beneath the upper horizontal arm on each side. Turn the security clip up to its highest position as shown here. Then, insert the security bolt and tighten by hand until secure. Route the cables through the cable clips on the underside of the arm segments. To adjust the level of the screen, loosen the 4 bolts as needed on the back of the center plate using the provided wrench. Then, adjust to the desired level and tighten the bolts back down. To adjust the tilt of the screen, loosen the knob on the side of the mount and then tilt the screen to the desired angle and tighten the knob back down.